Hello, beauties. Today we're talking about something that can completely transform your look, styling your hair according to your face shape. You know that frustration when you try a hairstyle that looks amazing on someone else but just doesn't work for you. That is because what enhances one face shape might not be ideal for yours, but don't worry because I'm going to show you exactly how to style your hair to bring out your natural beauty based on your unique face shape. We'll cover everything from product placement to styling techniques that have worked for my clients in my 18 years behind the chair. Let's get started on creating your most flattering look. Before we dive into styling, let's quickly review some of the face shape rules to keep in mind, if you will. Oval, heart, and diamond shapes have the most flexibility with styling options. Oval shapes are naturally balanced, meaning you're not too long or too wide. Heart and diamonds, with your natural angles, you typically don't get stuck looking too long or wide. With these shapes, your actual facial proportions, hairline, and prominent features are going to be more of a factor. I dive a little bit more into facial proportions in last week's video that I'll link below in the description if you want to hear more about this. Oblong faces have the most natural length to them, so your styling will focus on trying to widen your face a little bit. Round, square, and pear shapes have the most width naturally to them, and they tend to be shorter in length than other shapes. During styling, you'll want to aim for creating length in your face while also minimizing your width. Products can feel confusing and sometimes leave you feeling disappointed in their performance, but I'm gonna show you how to apply and mix products that work best for your gorgeous hair so you can style to perfection. And to try and represent more hair types, I have brought out my mannequin sidekicks to help assist. This is them in their natural state. One has more length in her face frame and one has more layers through her front, so we have got some good options for today. You'll typically need two key products, a volumizing product and a smoothing or blow dry cream of some sorts. How and where you apply these will differ based on your face shape. These are meant to assist in creating or minimizing the illusion of length and width. For round, square, and pear shapes, because you have the most width through your face naturally, you will want to apply your volumizing mousse at the roots on the top section of your hair, as this is going to help create that height that draws the eye upward, giving the illusion of a longer face. For oblong shapes, we're going to do the opposite. You will want to apply your volume mousse to the sides of your hair to help you create that width, as you don't need the additional height through your top section. And for those shapes mentioned, after you have applied your volume mousse, you will then apply your smoothing product to the rest of your hair. So round, square, and pear shapes, that would be your sides and ends, and oblong, that is going to be your top and ends. For heart, diamond, and oval shapes, you have a bit more wiggle room as to where you apply your products. This means that you can opt to apply a mousse to both your top and sides if you want a more rounded look everywhere, or you could use just your smoothing product to create a more narrow, sleek look. It comes down to what style it is that you are personally going for. And don't worry, I'm going to show you guys simple and easy techniques that you can use when styling during or post blow dry to be able to help lengthen or widen your face exactly how you intend. All right, now for the fun part, the styling techniques. These are great techniques to use for a hot date night out or when you want all the compliments from the ladies in the bathroom because your hair looks so good. Those are my favorite type of compliments to get. Regardless of your face shape, you will start out with a rough dry. A rough dry is going to allow you to get the moisture out of your hair that's needed to make the rest of your blow dry go by more quickly. You want to use your fingers to help smooth out your hair during your rough dry to start getting control, but you don't want to over dry your hair during this part. If you over dry your hair in this step, you allow your hair to dry more so in a state of chaos, meaning that your curl or frizz is forming more than you want it to. So even if you flat iron it out later, it's likely to pop back up again sooner. So you need the hair damp enough to get full control with your blowout brush to smooth out or add volume to your hair, which is going to lead to a longer lasting blow dry. So after your hair is rough dried, you are then going to just section your hair off so that way we can start perfecting your look. And we are going to start with those of you that have more width to your face, so round, square, and pear shapes. In your lower and side sections, you'll want to work your dryer in a downward direction to smooth out your hair. This helps to keep minimal volume through your sides to avoid adding more width to your shape. So be sure to work your dryer in a downward direction to create more smoothness. In your top section, where your volume is, you are gonna wanna lift your hair straight up to create the lift and volume needed to create that illusion of more length in your face. The blowout brush makes this part much easier to do, and because it's just on your very top section, it's not very long that you're gonna have to work your arms up like this. For our oblong shape, so those of you with more length and less width, in your lower sections, you are gonna wanna pull the hair straight out from the head to create just a bit of volume as we are trying to give the illusion of more width within your shape. In your side sections, you'll want to lift the hair up to create more volume. Because you have little width in your face, lifting your brush up like this helps to create that volume needed to help add the illusion of more width in your face. And in your top section, you're gonna work your hair straight out over up as we don't need to enhance the length that your shape already has. Oval, heart, and diamond shapes, you can opt to use both of these blow dry techniques. It will come down to personal preference. So you can opt to focus both on volume or smoothness more freely, if you will. This means that you can lift the hair in both your side and top sections to create more volume, or if you prefer to keep your hair more smooth and sleek, you're gonna work your dryer in a downward direction through both your sides and tops, so you have some nice wiggle room. If you want to enhance the illusion of more width or more length within your face, you can opt to use Velcro rollers during your blow dry or a volumizing hot tool post blow dry. Both of these are like a secret weapon for styling your hair, so they're very nice to mix in. You would use both of these options where you used your volume products to help give the illusion of more length or width within your shape. Velcro rollers you use in sections as you dry the hair by rolling your hair around the roller down onto your scalp. And a volumizing hot tool you use post blow dry after all of your hair is dry. This adds texture to your hair, giving the illusion of more volume. You want to make sure you do leave enough of your own hair to cover the texture this tool creates within your top sections or around your face, so that way the texture is not visible. Here you can see how they help enhance the hair, and these both are a great option to just give you a touch more volume if you desire that. And I personally prefer using the volumizing hot tool as it provides longer lasting hold within your hair. Let's talk about how your hair part can change the appearance of your face's length or width. Many of you likely stick to parting your hair the same way out of habit, but being open to changing it can be very beneficial for you. Typically, middle parts are known for slimming your face as the hair falls more onto the sides of your face to narrow them out. And the middle part also helps to keep a straight line moving through your face. If you have curtain bangs or a shorter face frame, the middle part can help add more angularity through your face, giving the eye more to look around and see within your shape. And a middle part can work for various face shapes altogether. Side parts allow your face to appear more opened. Round and square shapes, you may feel that this adds to the width you naturally have, but it also helps to add the illusion of length as the eye will be drawn up as the hair will lay with a little bit more volume when you part it to the side. So side parts also help create the illusion of angles through your face as well, giving that eye more to move around to. By understanding your unique face shape, using proper products that are applied correctly, and applying these styling techniques during or after your blow dry, you can enhance your natural beauty and create balance. Remember though, these are guidelines. They're not strict rules. The most important thing is that you feel confident and beautiful in your hair. That is always my goal with these videos. You have already got your natural beauty. I am just here to help you show it off even more. And if you want to see more styling tips on what the best curls are for your face shape, check out this video right here. I hope you guys enjoy it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.